China's DeepSeek is absolutely dominating headlines. So today we're seeing how it compares to OpenAI's ChatGPT 5. Today we're putting the two AIs up against each other in a simulation building competition, which is focused on how humanity colonizes space. Simulations are a great way to see how well AI can handle abstract concepts. So let's take a look at the prompt we're working with today. We're starting off with a very simple overview and output requirements, and then going over the core objective, which is to model how human society expands from the Earth to Moon to Mars to asteroids to outer moons to their first interstellar attempt over 500 years. This is where the prompt gets a little bit crazy because we're covering every single specification. We're going into app layout, data model, baseline constraints, simulation clock, realism, governance core, event cards, tech tree, scenarios, user controls, visuals, formulas, event engine, the default start state, and performance. Finally, we're wrapping it up with the deliverable, which is one HTML file that pulls everything together. Let's take a look at the result we got from the free ChatGPT 5 instant model. This looks like a pretty advanced simulation. We have the opportunity to change any of the parameters we'd like, and there's a network map showing the expansion as time goes on. We can also take a look at the timeline, and even though it's hard to see, there are events listed like the first birth on Mars and colonies declaring independence. Over on the dashboard, we can see population, inequality, and more, and we can even look into each of the colonies specifically to see their demographics as time goes on. I've got to be honest, this model impressed me. Now let's switch over to DeepSeek. It looks like in this simulation we're also provided with a network map that changes over time, and for the timeline we can actually see the specific events listed out, which look pretty advanced. The dashboard lists similar things like population and inequality, and we can change all of the parameters similarly to ChatGPT. We can even see the demographics in each colony. This looks great. At the end of the day, both models succeeded at creating a simulation, but which do you prefer?